Good morning, everyone. My name is Katarzyna Styk. I will be presenter of this presentation. My friend Magdalena is not available today. I am a PhD student and assistant professor on Faculty of Civil Engineering and Resource Management on AGH UST. And today I want to present some research on employee bonus system in Polish enterprises, which we made. Okay, then next one, short agenda of my presentation, 2 words about employee bonus system, a couple of sentences about a survey on bonus systems. So I told you about the premise of the study, characteristics of the study group, operation of the bonus system and evaluation of bonus systems, and of course a short summary of my presentation. Okay, employee bonus system is a component of remuneration dependent on the results obtained by an individual, a group of employees on the entire organization, how we can see. But however, a bonus should not be treated as an element of salary, but as a motivational element for achieving additional effects or benefits for the whole organization. There are many titles for awarding bonuses, and the choice depends on the management of the company, which by their introduction wants to achieve certain results. So we must decide what we want to achieve and choose properly system. Bonus criteria should be defined as measurable effects of work, but above all, they should be clear and understandable and accessible to the employee. On the slide, you can see some bonus criteria examples. I think that we know them and understand them. So to use the employee bonus system as a motivational factor, the company must tailor the system to its own needs. Many different bonus systems can be found, but on the slide you can see some general division of this bonus system. This was our theoretical background to our survey, to our research, because project group called Smart Analysis, operating within the framework of Student Research Group Management functioning on our faculty, conduct a study on the principles of functioning and subjective assessment of beneficiaries of employee bonus system operating in companies in Poland. I want to present results from this research. So a couple of words about premise of study. Our goal was to find out the rules of employee bonuses in Polish enterprises and examine the opinions of final beneficiaries. We made an online survey. We shared this survey on LinkedIn and via email. Our survey have 37 questions at all, but our respondents decide how many questions they answer, because we have some answers, some if answers, yes. So every participant have changed different number of questions. A total of participants was 173 people. So we have 173 respondents, and the largest group are employees of the automotive industry. Next one is heavy industry, So, for example, mining, etc. And the third place was for FMCG. So, yes. And next two places taken broadly understood: manufacturing production and furniture industry. So this is first 5 places. The majority, because almost 50% of those taking part in the survey work in large company. So in this company have more than 250 employees. Next one, some words about the department in the company that our respondents work in. So the most common answer given was engineering or quality department. So this was the most common group. It should be also, I think that I should mention that we have 17 people representing the company board of or directions participated. So not just workers, but also people from board or high-level managers or directors. More than 40% of the respondents were managers, outright production workers, or direction also participate in their survey. So you can see this on this slide. So this was a couple of thoughts about the characteristic of our group. And next part of our survey was related with operation bonus system. A considerable part of respondents have this bonus system on company, but around 17% respondents have a partial system. So, for example, for one department, or they don't know rules to getting the bonuses. Only 9 from 26 people who answered no, you can see, affirm that the company have plans to launch a bonus system. Some people say also that bonus system had worked before, but it was ineffective in the company. The most frequent answer indicated 108 times was discreditatory bonus, followed by a regulatory bonus given twice as often by about 55% of respondents. The majority of respondents confirmed that only cash bonuses are used in their company. And other respondents mentioned about, for example, vouchers, training, trips, or fitness card. I think that we know this bonus systems, this bonus goals. So a large part of the respondents, because over the 58% say that in their company gives individual bonus, and these bonuses are independent or group performance of design and task. So this is some common criteria in this bonuses. About additional criteria for awarding bonuses, most often was indicated the completion of additional task, for example, or absence, or implementation of job improvements. So this is the first three position. and some evaluation of bonus systems. About 60% of respondents are not satisfied with their bonus system. And similar number, around 60%, do not feel motivated by the system. In most of the respondents, there is no research on the system currently used, so company doesn't analyze level of motivation and I don't know, happy maybe of their employees. On average, employees rate their company's bonus system to around 4.7 out of 10, to scale 1 to 10, of course. You can see this on the diagram. For a large part of the respondents, the type of bonus criteria should be improved, and a change in the bonus system should, according to, I think, if I could remember, 90% of the respondents, improve employee productivity. So we should improve these systems. The survey made it possible to examine remuneration systems in Polish enterprises. On the basis, it can be conducted in the majority of companies in Poland. There are systems of employee suggestions. Although the employees mostly indicate their effectiveness, that is the lack of fulfillment of the basic motivational task. Most companies use cash bonuses awarded individually or as a part of universal bonus. Criteria are always used to awarded bonuses, and they vary depending on the department in which the employee is employed. So this is another criteria to production, and another criteria to some administration position. The study was conducted as a part of AGH Rector's Grant, Rector's Contest competition. The authors conducted the study in cooperation with a consulting company. Then a free webinar was prepared for dissemination and discussion. I can say that this webinar will be today at 6 p.m. The results of the study are published and as a publicly available report. So thank you for your attention.